coaches have had their say. Both teams back on their feet. They were looking rather tired as we waited for extra time, which now begins. That is a foul, undoubtedly. That's a blatant foul, maybe a booking as well, but that's a yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think there's any choice there from the ref.
Dangerous here, Fernando Torres. Shots on here. Spain have scored. That's super for Spain, scoring the goal so early in extra time.
Oh, and what a move as well. Great stuff. Just goes to show, Martin, keep on going till the last minute and you might just get your reward, and they have here, it seems.
And up on the scoreboard here, it says 2-1. Here's Van der Vaart. Good ball. The defender can't... Takes the shot off! It's hit the player. Blocked it, really, I guess. Xabi Alonso. Keeping the move going. Is he in for the goal? Seen the chance? Very little time to go. Another goal would wrap it up. They're torn between going for goal from the corner or just running down the clock. But if they score, that'll guarantee victory. Oh, he's going to shoot now. Teed up beautifully for the first-time shot, but he's missed it.
Well, it was begging to be hit, wasn't it? The quality of the pass, the weight of it, perfect.
That's got to be taken quickly. Ballboy gets the ball back to the goalkeeper for the goal kick, and now Iniesta. Robin! This is the chance. He lets fly here. Well, the final shot off target, it was a great break.
Isn't it just the way that they move the ball forward with such speed, penetration, just couldn't apply the finishing touch. Well, on such things, Martin, our games won and lost, and I thought he'd done it, you know, but it's a matter of inches out.
This could be a case of the player being taken off here because he looks very fatigued. Quick ball, rather weak defending, and he's away. Oh, that's a great, brave save.
Well, you've got to get those so right. Fraction of a second out, and it's a penalty.
The pass not completed, really. Spain, who benefit from the advantage rule. Surely! Here's the shot. A little bit high, unusually. What a corner, though. Here's comeback. I like this kind of referee. Play the advantage, go back and punish the offender. And that's what he's doing here, yellow card.
You see it happen too often where the referee blows straight away and he doesn't let advantage be played, but not this time with this fella. He did well.
Moving forward with a threat. He can have a crack here. Brave defending by the outfield player. Still trailing, but they have a corner now. He's panicked there a bit. Just about managed to get it away. That's a slide tackle. And the ball set in motion for the second period of extra time. 15 minutes left to go now then, second period of extra time. Here's Van Persie. Good ball. Oh, the officials only get to see it once and have to make their judgment. They've said offside, it was close. But the attacker doesn't like it. The flag's gone up against him for offside. Schneider. Well played, the defender, to deal with that as the danger loomed large. Here's the shot. Super diving save. Well, it's a corner now for Holland, and they are losing at the moment, remember. And that was, and bravely in for the header. Here he is with and hits it. He's sprung away to make that save. Well, that is another corner. It's interesting, still danger. Corner's always a possibility, but not necessarily a probability. It didn't happen for them this time. He's going to cross it. He is told, this player, to get his crosses in, but it's got to be more dangerous than that. The corner didn't produce the chance that they were hoping for. So here's a corner and maybe a final opportunity. Very powerfully done. He's such an athletic defender, and he's got the ball away, and his teammates are applauding him for it. Dangerous here, Fernando Torres slides in now. See what he was trying to do, but didn't get the range into his pass properly. Nigel de Jong. Luciano Narsing. Mata. The ball now, but definitely looking the worse for wear. Now it's about the right decision. He's got a couple of areas to... He's gone for goal! A very good piece of blocking here of the shot. It is a corner. And they'll pile men into the penalty area. There he is, clearing the danger again. It looked a good clearance, but they're back on the ball, the opposition, and more defending to be done now. That looked painful. Great opportunity! It's another win for Spain. Well, you've got to get game time to get your side into some sort of shape, and I think it's been very useful here. It will go down as a defeat, but it's not one that they'll lose any sleep over, surely.
No, I don't think so. It's all about getting ready for the competitive action, isn't it? And some lessons learned, perhaps, for the manager.